I've been working with Meon and Colin for, I'd say, about 5 years now. I have to admit, there's not many companies out there that react like we do in the reinstatement industry. It's pretty much all go, go, go. So it's rare you find a company who've got that attitude as well. The main thing for us is getting the product on time. We have to deliver to certain timescales, and Meon are there to support us on that. Coming from a Cappagh point of view, we need trust in our suppliers, we need to be able to rely on them. Meon provide very innovative products. The new primer kit that's come out from Meon, which allows us to lay anti-skid on hot tarmac, that's great for the industry. For us to be able to turn around to a local authority and say that we can offer that service really helps us. Magma products, they're changing with the time, so as the industry develops and new regulations are coming out, they're quick on the pulse, they're quick to change their products where needed and adapt to the situation out there. Meon provide us quality products, but for me it's more about the relationship, so if we need anything urgently, they're reactive and they'll help us out as much as they can.